Well, hello there. You're just in time. Today, I've been making Southwestern crock pot chicken tortilla soup. It's an all-in-one step recipe that's delicious and healthy. And I promise it'll have those picky eaters asking for seconds. This Southwest chicken tortilla soup is going to taste better than anything you can get in a restaurant. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to need about 1 pound of chicken. I'm using chicken breast. And you're going to place that in your slow cooker. Don't worry, because you're going to take out the chicken when it's cooked later and you're going to shred it. The next thing you're going to need are a can of tomatoes, 14.5 ounces. I like to use the Rotel tomatoes because there's a little extra zing. Next, we're going to add a 10-ounce can of enchilada sauce. Doesn't matter what brand it is. And this actually says red chili sauce, but it's the same thing. Next, we're going to add 1 medium chopped onion. The next thing we're going to add is a 4-ounce can of chopped green chilies. Our next ingredient is about 2 cloves of minced garlic. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. And after that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ground chili powder. This is optional, but I like to add 1 or 2 small bay leaves. Next, we're going to add a 32-ounce container of chicken stock. I like to use the no-salted version. Okay, we're almost there. The last 2 items, you can use a 10-ounce bag of frozen corn, but I didn't have any on hand, so I'm just using a 15-ounce can of regular canned corn. Finally, we're adding a 15-ounce can of black beans. These are organic, and I like to use organic whenever I can. Okay, as you can see, all the ingredients are in the slow cooker. We're just going to give everything a little stir. We're going to keep it in the slow cooker on high for 4 hours, or if you're using the low setting, maybe 6 to 8 hours. We'll come back, we'll take out and shred the chicken, and our soup should be ready.